Hey guys, I'm Mike. Just want to go over a few things about our manifolds. And so everything is plug and play. They're designed for PI. They also have ports for either nitrous or methanol injection. Everything that you see here is what comes with the set except for the injectors. So the kit comes with the coolant hoses. Both of these fittings are machined in-house. Back here you can see the oil cap is still accessible, so you don't need to remove the manifold. You know, that's a pretty big deal, and we want to make sure that we retain that from the stock manifold. You have different versions for both the Gen 1 and Gen 2. So this is Gen 1, and these are the Gen 2. Alright, so I just want to go over a few key things with our manifolds here. We have all quick connect fittings for the coolant hoses. Everything you see on the table here is all the hardware that comes with the manifold. So every set does come with a fuel rail. If you are not going to be using PI, we will have blanks to put in there as well. So if we take a look here, these are ports for EV14K injectors. They are 14 millimeters, so as long as you have a 14 millimeter injector, it should work. These were designed for the shorties though, so if you want to use with the stock placement or the placement we have here, you'll need to use the Bosch shorty injectors. We also have 6 ports on top here, 1/8 MPT. You can use those either for methanol injection or nitrous. And it does come with plugs as well if you're not going to be utilizing those. All the stock sensor ports are all integrated into the manifold as well, and we do have 3 auxiliary ports on the back. They're also 1/8 MPT. You can use for boost reference or any other sensors that you might want to use. Underside of the manifold, we have the gaskets built right in. These are all a dovetail cut as well, so once you put the gasket in there, you won't have to worry about it falling out during install or anything like that. Not only doing the B58 manifolds, we are doing these for the S58 as well. We should start cutting the S58 manifolds in a couple weeks here. We do have our PI system for the stock manifold already done, so let's head over here and we'll check that out. This is our S58 port injection system for use with the stock manifold. BMW was kind enough to leave spots to tap into the stock manifold, so you can either run PI with fuel or also methanol, as you see here. What we have connected now are our custom methanol nozzles. These we make in-house on our CNC mill as well. It connects right up to this fuel rail, and you connect it to the methanol in the back or the front. So these are our S58 downpipes. They're catless, and fitment is spot on. The welds are also really nice. Back purge TIG welds, stainless steel construction. Comes with everything you need to install.
All right, let's hear it.
Thank you. Thanks, Waze.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, under normal driving, you can't even really tell that downpipes are installed. Like I was saying before, the sound increase is not too crazy, which is kind of nice. And you still get the performance benefit without waking everybody up.
They're not coming after you, are they?
Hold on. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little view into our G80 and where it's currently at, and we'll see you next soon.